What if I tell you that you can literally make money by the end of next week after watching this video? This is not miracle, all right, but I'm going to show you some keys, and I'm just going to flow naturally like I'm talking to my brother or my sister or my mom or my uncle. That's how I'm going to flow, not scripted, just natural vibes. Okay, so let's assume that you are lazy like myself here. You are not a type who want to use muscles to do construction work, to do cleaning, to make money. You feel like you want to be at comfort of your home to use the laptop and the phone to make money. Or you feel like you want to travel around the world and still be making money. You understand? So you are not a type who want to use the muscles to get tired, to sweat. And truly, the fact is, it's not all those kind of jobs like the manual works that actually only make us money, but people are also sleeping and making money as well. And how do they do that? They are not doing anything extraordinary like anything sent from heaven or miraculous things. You understand? They are just using this device. You understand? And they are just using the laptop. You understand? I'm going to share with you some tips that I've also come across, what I personally use, and what my friends have been using, and general research. I have put them together, and I know it has been tested and proven, and it is useful, and people are making money with that. All right, myself, I'm also making money with some of them, and when it gets there, I'll tell you. So I'm going to give you seven tips, and number one on my list is freelancing. Okay, who is a freelancer, or what do we mean by freelancing? Freelancing literally means that you should have a skill. Okay, you are going to make money from your skills. All right, for example, if you have writing skills, you have basic graphic design skills, you have video editing skills, you have typing skills, you understand, singing skills, music production skills. You can literally make money from that online, and you don't need to be present anywhere. Physically, you don't need to be present. You can make money online. How do you do that? You know, we have sites, for example, Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, if you don't know Fiverr, you can check the link in my description. Fiverr and Upwork. If this is your first time, try to go there and read about that place. You see, when you get there, people are website developers there. People can write, people can develop softwares, people can do graphic, basic ones, or video editing, and they are charging maybe $2, $10, $5, $20, $50, and all that. You understand? So whatever you can do that you think that you can deliver online, you can go to Fiverr or Upwork and build a profile of yourself and start posting those kind of skills there, and people all over the world are going to see your skill, and they are going to book with you. You understand? 3D animation and all that, music mixing and all that. Any skill at all you can do. Yes, and sometimes you don't even need a lot. I'll come to that. I'll come to that later. So if you want me to make a video about Fiverr in particular, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll do a tutorial on it. And you can use simple tools like CapCut and literally get paid there and all that. Now, number two on my list is AI side hustles. This is the big deal in 2026. Okay, this is the big deal. In fact, if you don't know anything about AI, oh my God, you are going to miss out, just like Techno was not able to come back. Hey, just like Nokia. You are going to miss everything, just like Nokia was not able to make it. You understand? So update yourself. If you don't know anything about AI, start learning about AI. Start learning how to write prompts. So if you I'm even surprised that there are some people here who don't even know about ChatGPT. Some don't know about Gemini. Some don't know about Copilot. I was like seriously, you don't know ChatGPT and you are in 2026. So how do you literally make money if you don't know about that? So AI side hustles, what does it mean? Okay, people are making artworks. Okay, sometimes, at first, if you want to do a video editing or maybe graphic design, it can take you hours and that. But now AI can just do it within 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it's done. Your video is ready, your 3D animation is ready. Some people can spend, let's say, a week or two to make 3D animation, but currently, because of AIs, it has become very easy to develop it within few minutes. You understand? So even if you are an AI 3D animation or website developer, you should implement AI into it. So if you are the type who don't know anything about graphic design, this is what you can do. Just head on to ChatGPT and make sure you upgrade it, or maybe Copilot, or maybe Gemini, upgrade it. And there are some other AI tools. If you want me to talk about that one too, I'll bring it later on. You can hop on those kind of AI tools and you just learn about it. Just try to say, generate this graphic design, blah, 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 blah. You'll be able to make graphic designs professionally for people, even on that Fiverr, okay, and still make money with it. You can sell it, okay, you can sell it to businesses. You can create commercials like animations and even commercials for brands. You understand? And myself, I've been contacted to make promotional videos for some CTB in Poland and other countries. You understand? And they paid. You can even use AI to make music videos. I told my friend that now AI can even build a whole record label with so many artists. You understand? With lyrical videos, music videos, selling on Spotify. There are some gospel music videos that are getting 9 million views. Gospel musics are getting 9 million views, 9 million streams on Spotify and Apple Music and all that. And they are making money out of it. And by the time you realize, it's even just someone who is sitting home relaxing, just creating the music on the phone. You understand? So number 3 on my list is what I call the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. What do we mean by affiliate marketing? This is one of the old methods my friend has been using and I've also been using. It's an old method. That is, for example, let me just give you a practical example. For example, I visit a phone shop and I tell them I have customers. I can give them customers, but they have to give me commission. You understand? So I just take pictures of the products, you understand, in the phone shop and start posting online. When people buy it from the shop, I get commission. Now, because of technology and because you are lazy like myself here, you don't need to go outside. You can be in your room and go on websites like Amazon, TikTok Shop, Shopee. If you are in Vietnam, you can go to eBay, you can go to AliExpress and start. Do you know that they have affiliate websites there? When you go to Amazon, they have, just search affiliate like Amazon on Google. Just Google, it will give you the website link. However, I'm also going to post that website link in the description, where you can sign up as someone who wants to make sales with Amazon. You understand? So when you share the products on Amazon, you can get 10% commission, 20%. So if someone buys something for $100 and you have a 10% commission, you make a profit of how much? Is it not $10? Yes, but you don't need any shop to do that. That is affiliate marketing. You can share products and make commission on it. Number 4 on my list is selling digital products. Is it digital or digital or whatever? Selling digital products. People are selling notebooks. People are selling books. People are selling templates. People are selling pictures online. I'm going to give you a secret website that someone actually shared with me, and the person just hop on it just within a week and the person is making money. If you want to make money, sell books to make money online, look at the website called digitstem.com. Okay, digitstem.com. What do they do there? What they do there is that you buy the book. You understand? You buy the book yourself online there, which can cost $10, $20 or $30. You buy the book, you study the book. You understand? After studying the book within a few days, you apply what is in the book and you start cashing out. He just made 3 sales on that same website and the person is already making money there. You understand? He sent me screenshots. He said, yes, I did literally, I'm making money. I was like, oh, keys they we are say keys are in this world. So that is it. I'll drop that link also in the description. If you want to sell digital products, you can literally start making money there. Even right now, I'm saying by the end of next week, after watching this video, if even this website can generate you money within that few days, this one, they just term, yeah. So now the number 5 on my list is online tutoring. This one has literally, it has saved my life. It's one of the side hustles. You don't need to be a student or a teacher or something like that. If you want to make partial income, online tutoring website I recommend for you is Preply. The best I have been using so far, and I've been making money. They've not paid me to do any advert. You understand? But I'm just recommending Preply to you because I have been using myself as a teacher. At first I was teaching English there, and right now I'm teaching videography and content creation over there. So literally on Preply you can set your own price. Preply.com, you can set your own price. Take $10, take $20. Some are charging $40 for 1 hour, just 1 hour session. You understand? So when you hop on Preply, you can teach on Preply and start making money there. It is legit, confirmed. Nobody is going to scam you. As for that side, trust me, nobody is going to scam you. All right. So now number 6 on my list is drop shipping. People are literally making money on drop shipping. Drop shipping or reselling simply means that you sell products without holding the inventory. Okay, so you can use platforms like the TikTok shop and the Shopee. You find the product, make content. If you are someone who has been making content, don't just go and how do I say, copy music and dance and shake your butt also. Whilst you shake your butt also, you can place the product on your butt also, then you shake the product on your buttocks. You understand? So as you shake the product on your buttocks, people will see the buttocks and see the product, and then they will literally buy the product and you get commission from it. And you don't need it. The shipper or the shop owner will ship it directly to the person and you take your cash out of it. You understand? So people will order, you order straight and take their address, and the shipper will just you understand? Then you take your commission. So people will buy from you. Oh, maybe you saw the product for $30, you post it and say maybe $35. People buy from you, they give you the money, they give you the address, you buy online. So easy. Use this and use the phone. You understand? It's so easy. And number 7, that is the last one, and I'm going to give you a bonus one too by the end of this video. The last one, which is the number 7, is the content creation. If you are not into content creation, start now. Content creation doesn't mean that media I cannot talk, or media I cannot show my face, or media you can create content without showing your face. You can create content without talking. You understand? But you can create content online literally with AIs. That is what we call the AI automation. If you want me to dive into it, you can comment in it. If you don't comment, I don't know what you want to. This one, it just came in my mind and people have been asking me. That's why I say, okay, then let me do a video on it. You understand? But if you don't comment, I don't know what you want. Yes. So content creation, YouTube content creation. Hey, YouTube. The way I'm shaking my head, YouTube. Some people are making $7,000 a week. I swear to God. I know a friend of mine who started YouTube was just a week, and he just started spraying cash like $1,500. Just a week, he got monetized. I won't mention it. If I mention it, then you know. I won't. He just a week now, monetized, and then literally he started no boss. It's just organic. He started making money, and people, and we know the content creation. For example, YouTube is one of the best. You understand? TikTok, if nobody gives to you, don't get money. YouTube, you don't need to promote the video. Just make the video. You understand? and you're gonna make money on that. If you want me to touch on how you can make money on YouTube, get monetized easily and start making money, that one there is one of my specialities. I can show you that and you do it. Just let me know in the comment section. So start content creation today. All right, start content creation today. It's something that can take care of your entire life for long term. It can take care of you. You don't literally need to serve anybody, do boss or work 9 to 5. Traveling, make your videos. Sleep, eat, make your videos. That's all. You understand? And you're going to make your money. So literally all these tips, you can choose to do all. If you have time, you can choose to concentrate on one and master it and be consistent. Be consistent. You understand? If it doesn't, the money doesn't start coming today, be consistent. Trust me, these tips has been proven and it's working. If someone tells you there's one of them that no one is making money on it, it's a lie. You understand? Everybody is making money on one of these tips that I've given to you. Now, the bonus one, if you are in Ghana, do data. Why? Sell data bundles. Sell data bundles. Internet data bundles. You're going to make money. All right. Yes, because that is literally one of the businesses that has taken it's taking care of one of my friends up to now. You understand? So you make the money, you save more, you double it. And data bundle is like when you get one customer today, that customer becomes like your customer forever. You know why? When the data assuming he buys 1 gig of internet data today, it gets finished, you buy again, it gets finished, you buy again. You understand? So if you build that kind of customers, let's say you have about 500 customers buying from you every day, trust me, you can be sleeping and making money. So it's not miracle. You bab. So that is it. There are so many websites that I'll be bringing on board. People like, for example, the affiliate marketing and those things. There are so many websites. A website like when you go to zitacard.com, the website is there, and they are actually looking to partner with people and all that. You can hop on that. You can call them zitacard.com. You can call them, or you can chat them. I think they have an email or WhatsApp contact. You chat them, and they will give you the instructions. You promo for them, they pay you. It's so simple. All right. Even if you want to sell your business there, they are also doing that and all that. So, like I said, in case you enjoyed this video and you like me to touch on more of these contents, okay, I'll be talking about those waiting for arbitrage. Please don't worry. Wait, when it comes, I'm going to drop the arbitrage opportunity. I know you are waiting for arbitrage. Don't worry. When it drops, I'm going to bring it. I've been doing that. You understand? And I literally don't make videos a lot. I post once. You not see me 1 month and I post, because Charlie, we they cash out small somewhere. We they have some side hustles and all that. So if I see a key then I drop. If I don't see the key, I don't drop. That's why when I post one video now, they keep take long. Don't worry, okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. I know this channel has come to stay, and trust me, it be you who go motivate me to do more. If you don't motivate me, how I go do them? You understand? So see you next time.